Hi there, welcome back to my channel, Who the Heck is Nat? Today is April 16th, it is approximately 3:45 p.m. And first I want to say thank you for being with me today. Always remember my videos are not financial advice and are for entertainment purposes only. With that being said, let's get started. So, quick overview of what's going on in the market today. Ethereum at $2,430. Binance coin there at $517. So we're seeing a little bit of a dip there. We saw it right around 600 this week, which was great to see, right? And let's talk briefly about Tron. Tron is at over 15 cents. And what else do I want to talk about? Verasity. Verasity is at 4.5 cents. BankerX, 19 cents. I like seeing it above 20 cents, but that's okay too because BankerX is on the Tron blockchain. So with Tron being at over 15 cents, that's good for me. And then we have Wise at 52 cents. Fantastic. For a while it was hanging in the low 40s, right around 43 cents. So it's nice to see an increase in that. And where is Theta? Theta right here at $14.13, which is great. Don't usually see it go above that $13 mark. So it's nice to see that moving up slowly but surely. And with that being said, let's start with bankroll flow. So I'm still continuing with bankroll flow. Let me adjust this here. Okay. Still continuing with bankroll flow. I usually roll twice per week and claim once per week. I'm sticking with that. So we have a total deposits of over $4,000 here. So that accrues 1% interest per day, which is about $42 per day, depending on the price of BankerX. And again, with that being said, I do like when I see the increase in the Tron price because then when I do claim, I swap that right to Tron, and obviously having that Tron at an increased price works out well for me in that case. So with that being said, let's go ahead and we are going to claim today. We're going to accept and close. And you'll see the energy decrease here. I do have other videos showing how to freeze Tron for energy. And there you go. You see that energy drop down to 8. And BankerX price. Total amount increase. Sorry about that. So yes, BankerX was deposited into my wallet, and then we're now down to only 19 Tron energy. So I would like to swap the BankerX for Tron, but seeing as I just used up all the frozen energy, I'm going to wait to do that. So right now it'll just hang out in my Tron Link wallet as BankerX. You do see I have Tron here. 3,500 of my Tron I pretty consistently keep frozen so that I have that for any transactions I want to make, and that saves significantly on fees. Otherwise you would pay in Tron fees. When you freeze your Tron, it's frozen for 72 hours, and then from there you can unfreeze it. But again, I choose to keep it frozen to avoid those fees. Theta. Pretty excited. Theta has a new patent that they were awarded. There we go. Methods and systems for peer discovery in a decentralized data streaming and delivery network. Fantastic. Like to see Theta keeping things moving and continuing to grow and evolve. That's fantastic to see, especially in something you're invested in, right? So super excited about that. They were awarded a 3rd U.S. patent, methods and systems for peer discovery in a decentralized data streaming and delivery network. This groundbreaking innovation extends Theta's previous U.S. patent by introducing viewer nodes that leverage a superior peer discovery system to optimize decentralized video delivery. And then there's more details here. This is on medium.com if you wanted to look up and read through this article. As I said, watching one of your investments continue to evolve and grow is really, really great to see, right? So I do hold Theta tokens, and the website I'm on now is thetatoken.org. If you click on wallet, excuse me. Get logged in here. Hold on just a moment for me. Okay, all logged into the Theta wallet. We have 136, a little over 136 Theta in the wallet and 431 T fuel. So that is the balance there. I do anticipate adding to this probably later today or tomorrow. I am going to exchange my Tron for Theta, which I can do, which I can do through Simple Swap. So I will quickly just show you what it looks like if you were to go to Simple Swap. Okay. So you can go to simpleswap.io and you can swap Tron. It gives you the minimum amount here, 246. So let's just say we're doing 250, let's say. And we would swap Tron for Theta or T fuel. So with T fuel, the minimum would be 1,756. And with Theta, let's see what it brings us to. Minimum will be 138. So each token exchange, they do have minimums on Simple Swap. I've used Simple Swap a few times before. Usually a transaction takes about 15-20 minutes to go to process through. So I do have another video on how to use Simple Swap if you would like to subscribe to my channel. And you can go to my channel and find that Simple Swap video. So just showing you that quickly. And here we are, Vera Wallet. You can go to verawallet.io, and I have over 20,000 VRA tokens staked, and over 5,000 VRA tokens just in the main wallet there. So really into Verasity. I like that they also have a patent, a proof of view patent. You'll see a lot of videos on YouTube, Theta versus Verasity, and I actually read an article the other day that I really enjoyed reading because it basically said that Verasity is not meant to compete with Theta. It's meant to almost work in conjunction with, in a way. But here's what's really, really interesting. Verasity is going after an industry that is bigger than the industry that Theta is going after. And that's the bottom line. Theta, great token, great use case. Verasity, also great token, also great use case. Just slightly different use cases. So they're really not in direct competition with each other as some people make it seem. That was at least my impression when I watched some of these videos. And now that I have a better understanding of the way this works, because Theta is really decentralized streaming, and their patents are focused on that, whereas Verasity is focused on proof of view. So making sure that people that spend tons of money in advertising actually have those ads viewed, rather than having fake views by bots or things like that. So I'm sure you can imagine marketing and advertising it gets expensive for people. And also us as people, we tend to click on videos that have more views thinking, okay, this, a lot of people watch this. It has to be good, right? Well, what's happening is that there's bots that go watch those videos, make it look as though someone watched the videos and rank up those views, and that's not really what happened. So great use case with Verasity. I'm really excited for both Verasity and Theta. So I have another video on how to acquire Verasity. I do like that it was relatively easy for me to acquire Verasity, I have to say. So if you create your Vera wallet at verawallet.io, Instant Buy and VRA Stake, you can exchange Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, or Tether, USDT, in order to purchase Verasity, which I like. You know, Theta, you have to go to an exchange, also because I'm in the US, so some of these tokens aren't as easily available to me. So that's also part of why I think some of the tokens aren't as easy to acquire. So yeah, I like the ease of use. I think that is just about it for today. I just wanted to touch on those things. So bankroll flow, rolling twice per week, claiming once per week, and then we have Theta token, holding my Theta token, watching the patents come out. I will definitely be creating a Theta node, and I will have that in another video. And then also Verasity, holding Verasity, excited about Verasity. And that about covers it for today. So thank you so much for joining me. Again, remember, all of my videos, entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a good morning, a good day, a good night, whatever it is, wherever you are. I hope it's a good one. Talk to you soon.